today we got an AC, it's not cooling. We're gonna take a look at it and see what's going on. First things first, we'll check some voltage. Volts. Well, not getting a leg of voltage here. Let's take a look at the disconnect. Alright, since we're not getting all the power to the unit, we're going to check inside the disconnect here. $242, $241, $243, $77. 194, 32. Most likely we got some blown fuses in here. So I'm going to get them out and show you how to check them. Alright, now that we got those out, we'll go ahead and check them. What we'll do is we'll set our meter down here on continuity. We'll take one side to the other. It's testing fine. That one's testing open. That one's testing fine. Typically I'm not going to replace one and not the other two. I'm just going to go ahead and replace all three of them. Disconnects in poor shape as well. It's pretty old and rusty, and it honestly, in my opinion, needs to be replaced too, but we're going to go ahead and get some fuses in it for now and see what happens. Alright, still got it set on continuity, and I got some new fuses now. Yep, these are good. I'm going to go ahead and get them popped in. Alright, now we got the fuses replaced. We're going to check our voltage. 243. 241, 241. All right, I think we're ready to start this thing up. All right, we're going to go ahead and try to turn this thing on now that we got the voltage. I got my Bluetooth gauges on it. Wiring looks good. Contactor looks old, but it's good. Low voltage looks good. I'm going to try to start it up. Alright, the unit is running. There's my pressures here. 77 over 177. So, I'm going to finish testing her out here. Alright, we are all done with this one. Looks like just an easy fix with the blown fuse. Check the pressures. Pressures look great. Amp draw looks great. It is an older unit. It is R22. Customer does have a price for a replacement. Just wants to kind of ride it till it dies here. I got my pressures here, my final pressures. don't know if you can see that here. Looks like we got 79.3 over 180 with a 7.4 superheat, 8.6 subcooling, R22. Got an ambient temperature of about 78 degrees, indoor temperature 75. So everything's looking great. They're as good as can be. That disconnect really leaves a lot to be desired, but overall, not too bad. Customer got out of this repair for just a few $100s, and we're on to the next one. If you guys have any questions about anything I did today, just feel free to leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe for more content.